Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this one. What is this? It's like a black box. You know that you can find in the airplane? Well, that's not the black box. Well, that's again 2.0 a boombox kind of thing, and this is powered, not battery operated. So that's from TRONICA. You can see, and the model number is Photon. So this thing has a 5-inch woofer, and it's a 2.0, so no subwoofer in there. So this is a very good thing, a small compact thing. That's the main box, and here you can see 5-inch into 2 subwoofer. Here it says subwoofer. Well, that's not subwoofer, I guess. Normal full range driver. So let's check some features. Built-in MP3, built-in stereo amplifier IC, automatic search and play MP3 disc, and blah 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 blah. So now let's open this thing and check it out. So what's in the box? That's the main product. Let's take it out. Oh, it's so dirty. Good. That's one side. Thermocol. It's a very important thing, in the box. So this is another important thing. And it says don't call. There is a phone number, and it says don't call, we'll call you. So you'll give them a missed call, they will call you. Or I don't know, whatever this is. So this is the warranty card, and they have all these products. So now let's open this thing. It's totally wrapped up. It's too much wrapping, bubble wrap. So you know what I love about this bubble wrapping? That's so nice. So that's the product itself. You can see at the top that's the volume control with the backlight, I guess, and at the front you can see 2 5-inch speaker. As I can see, that's the drivers are speaker, not even woofer, and it's written that's the subwoofer. Well, that's too much. And here you can see it's written the branding Tronica, and Bluetooth USB, and some buttons are there. So that's it. The front thing is plastic, and the rest of the thing is wooded. And here you can see the back side. That's the power card, and that's the input. Left and right RCA, and that's the port for the mic, and that's the on-off switch. This is the power card, and also the FM antenna wire is here, and there is the air passing port. So I'm really excited to hear the sound of this thing, and I am expecting some good sound. Actually, I was expecting some good sound, punchy bass kind of thing. Not that heavy bass, but kind of good bass, But after looking at the speaker driver, they are normal speaker, not even woofer. So I have a doubt on that thing. So let's connect this thing and check the sound of it. And also you get a remote. That's a very nice thing. And I forgot to tell you that the RGB lights are there. The speakers, both of them, you can see. They keep changing slowly. Green, blue, red, and all the stuff. And at the top, as I told you, the volume control also has a backlight as a blue in color. So that's a very nice thing. Now let's connect it to my mobile phone and check the sound. There's nothing I can't find in the silence of the night. When my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised telling me we're not alright. You're always on my mind. On my mind. the sound, it's I must say it's good, clear, and a bit punch is there too. But what I expected, the bass that's not there, because these are normal speaker, not woofer. If they give in the woofer in this thing, then the sound would have been much better, because this is a quite big cabinet and it's wooden cabinet. So, and let's hear some more. So my final conclusion is okay, not that great. So because this thing doesn't have the bass I wanted, so I don't like this. But you can keep it if you don't want bass, and if you don't like much of a bass, and if you listen to the classical music kind of thing. And also you can use this for FM that you keep playing on all day long, whatever. So it's a very good thing for that. Compact design, the sound is okay. So, and the RGB lights are there. So that's it. That was the unboxing and testing video of this TRONICA 2.0 Boombox. And that's all for today. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So in the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye.